everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back. So I found some really cute things at Dollar Tree. They're mostly for Easter, but I did find a couple of new things that I have never seen. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started and show you guys what I found. So the first things that I found, and I have been looking for these were on my wish list, but they are the Easter rugs that you can get. They're just calling them floor mats. And so I grabbed two of them. They did have, I think, two others to choose from, but I really just liked these two. So I went ahead and grabbed them. Now these are not like the thickest rugs to get or anything. They're actually pretty thin, but the backside does have sort of an anti-slip kind of coating on the back. So anyway, I just grabbed this one, which I think is so pretty. I just love the colors in it. It does say Happy Easter, and it's got the little Easter bunny. And then this white part back here, it looks kind of like wood, like shiplap. So I did go ahead and grab this. I think it's really cute. And now this is a 15.7 inch by 23.7 inch. So it's a pretty, good size. Not huge or anything, but I got one of these for, I think it was at Christmas time, and I just stuck it where I stand to do my dishes by my sink, my kitchen sink. So anyway, I grabbed that one, and then I couldn't pass up the truck because I'm obsessed with little farm trucks. So, but I thought this one was really, really cute. So I just love this teal green color. But this one is the background, this white part is similar to the other one where it looks like wood. So I did go ahead and just grab this one. So I don't know if I'm going to put both of these in my kitchen or just one in my kitchen and then maybe one in the guest bathroom. Or maybe one by the front door. I don't know. But anyway, I thought they were cute, so I had to get them. Something else that I finally found, guys. I have been looking for these, and they finally came. I think this was the only ones that they had to choose from. I don't know why. I was thinking they had 4, but I guess 3 was all they had. So I just went ahead and grabbed all 3. But, oh my goodness, it is the Gnome Easter signs. I have been looking for these forever, and I only found them at one of my Dollar Trees. Just one. So I did go ahead and grab one of each, and I did look through all of them, and these were the only 3 that they had. So I don't know if there's a 4th one out there, but they are so stinking cute. I love this one. He's holding little Easter eggs. So cute. So I did grab him. Only thing is I hate all the glitter because it just falls out. It's all over my hands. But anyway, it's so cute. I had to get it. So I got that one. And then this one, it's a little bit smaller in size, but it's just as cute. It says Happy Easter, and he's holding a carrot. I think it's really cute. It's probably as tall, maybe a little taller than the other, but it's not as wide. It's a little thinner. So anyway, I thought that was cute, so I grabbed that one. And then this last one says Happy Easter, and it looks like he's holding a chocolate bunny. Me. So cute. So I went ahead and grabbed that one. Something else that was Eastery, and I think they have these pretty much every year, if I'm not mistaken. I have never purchased them, though. But this year, I thought I'd go ahead and get them because they were super cute this year. But they are these yard stakes that are Easter eggs, which I think are so cute. They're really colorful, really bright and colorful. So I think they may have had one other design. I'm not 100% sure, but I just grabbed these 4. And this one is really pretty. I love this like baby blue color with the little swirly designs in the middle. I think it's really cute. And it does have a burlap bow. And then the stake where you can stake it in your yard or in a potted plant. Or if you wanted to, you can take it off the stake and do something different with it. Some sort of a DIY. But I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'm just going to go ahead and stick these in my yard. So I grabbed that one. And then this one I thought was really cute with the polka dots and the flowers. So I grabbed that one. And then this one is just blue and pink striped. Now these are, you know, pretty good size. They're big. It's as big as my head. So, and then this last one, I liked this one because I love those flowers. So I thought that was really cute. So I grabbed that. And then I think that's all that I have for Easter because like I said, Easter at my stores just wasn't that great this year for some reason. I don't know. We didn't get as much stuff as everyone else did. Okay, so these are new, at least to me. I've not seen these in my store, but it says, so fresh, so clean. And it's just this wooden board, like this block. And it's white, so it looks like, you know, this, I don't know, this is like a sticker over it though, I think. I don't think that it's, well, it may be painted on there. Yeah, I guess it is painted. But it's painted white, and then it's got this galvanized wording that says fresh, and it also is kind of like 3D. It stands up. And then I love this detail on the end, this metaling on the end here with like these nail head. I think those are so cool. So if you watched my last video, I said I was redoing my laundry closet, I guess you'd say. So anyway, I got this because I thought I could put this in there, kind of display it. So I grabbed that one, and then, now they have these every year. I've seen these before, but I went ahead and grabbed one. It says, go out and do amazing things. And they had different ones to choose from with different sayings, different colors, but it didn't matter to me what the color was, what the saying was. I just wanted this for the wood. So I did just go ahead and grab this one. And this one is bigger than this one. It's not as long. So the same width and everything, width and height, but just not the same length. You can see where it's probably 2 inches longer. But anyway, so I grabbed those. And then the last two things that I got, oh my goodness. It couldn't come at a better time because I'm redoing my laundry room. So, but these are so darn cute. Look at these. I don't know if you guys can see with all the glare. They look like little ironing boards. They look like little miniature ironing boards. Or, I mean, if you wanted to do like a theme or something, like around summertime, I don't know. Or you could make these into surfboards. That's what I'm trying to get at. Like you could like redo the wording on here. It looks like it's painted on there maybe. So you could probably just paint over it. Maybe sand it down a little bit and then paint over it. If you wanted. Or you could just flip it over and do the back side. But you can make this like a surfboard if you have like a theme going on, or I don't know, maybe even like water skis. It kind of looks like, you know, water ski, I don't know. Or maybe save them for around Christmas time or winter time and do like skis or something. I don't know. Maybe you could make them like, put them together or whatever, paint them up. Make them look like skis. I don't know. Just whatever you wanted to do. But I got these for my laundry room to hang up. But this white one says laundry room, wash, dry, and fold. And then it's got the little clothespins on there. So you can hang those mismatched socks on there. But I thought that was cute. So I grabbed that one. And then this one says wash and dry, open 24 hours. And it has the same clothespins along the bottom. And they do have this jute twine hanger. So anyway, I thought those were really cute. Sorry if you guys are getting blinded by the glare. You're probably hearing the neighbor's dogs bark too. But anyway, these are so cute. So I was happy to find those. But that is it, guys. That is the end of my haul. It's super short, I know, but just not much is coming in through my stores. And I don't know if it's just because of the area that I live in or what. But anyway, hopefully I can get to the store, to the Dollar Tree this week. I did pick this stuff up over the weekend. So maybe they'll get some new stuff in. I don't know. I'm hoping, fingers crossed. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you want to check me out on all my social medias, I have them linked in the description box below. And if I can remember, I'll try and link them on the screen also, or at least show you what my handles are. So yeah, anyway, I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!